Hi there, for today we're going to be using some of this amazing teckwrapcraft vinyl, and as you can see, they're beautiful colors, beautiful texture, and I'm so excited to get to use them. This project was very simple, and as you can see, it turned out very nice, and that orange color is just perfect for the season. All right, let's get started. And I always like to start measuring first, just to have an idea of how much of material I will need, and so I can just cut it and put it in the mat. Just making sure we don't have any bubbles, so I can cut nice and flat, and it can be easy to weed after. I'm using the Explore Air 2, and this is the app I'm using on the phone. I just find it more easy to be able to use my app on the phone. And as you can see, it's very simple. Just connect it, wait until it finds the printer. Make sure you're doing the deep point blade, and then press start. Preparing, cutting, and there we go. All right, so once it's cut, get your transition paper or tape, and yeah, let's get ready to roll. As you can see, it's nice to do like a taco shape, just to make sure, you don't get any bubbles, and you're like right there, you can measure it right in the middle. And voila, it's that easy. Make sure, always make sure that you just do this before transferring, so it's just easier to transition. Right now I'm just cleaning it, so I just make sure that there is nothing on the way. Make sure it's nice and clean before I transition. I love this transition tape by TeckWrap. It's just easy to measure where you want to go and where to position your object. Right now I'm just making sure that it goes, right in the center. Now this is like one of my favorite parts, and it's just to peel it off and see the final product. It was so easy to work with this vinyl, and the transition tape is amazing. It's just so easy to work with. beautiful. And as you can see, I made a little mistake right there. It's just an air bubble that's caped. So in the future, I'll be a little bit more careful. But I'm very content with the product. I mean, it's just beautiful. I'm very happy with it. I hope you enjoy.